Sekane, greetings from Musoni once again. Ntukulu wabangoni niBaNTU. I am not standing alone today. I've got my friend here with me, Rayneth. Hi Rayneth, say hi to the people.
Hi. Today get Renette and I today get Khoisanization of Khoisan. Namibia because in hand but you want to get current Harisa. Namibia what reason?
Wow! By the way, that language is called Damara.
Yeah.
Is it Damara Nama or just Damara?
It's Damara.
Oh, Damara. This is Damara. So there's Damara Nama as well. Okay, this is Damara. She just said her name is Rayneth and she is Khoi-Khoi, very proud to be Khoi-Khoi. And yeah, what else did I understand? You said
I think that's all
everybody should come to Namibia. It's a beautiful place. You're most welcome. All right. Wow, wait. I thought Khoi-Khoi people were not black. So how come?
How are we not black? We are black. Am I not black?
Oh.
I am black.
Oh, and you are Khoi-Khoi. Okay,
Yes,
interesting.
A very proud one.
I've learned something today. You know, where I come from, they say Khoi-Khoi people are not black. And we invaded the land of the Khoi-Khoi. But we look the same.
I am black.
All right.
Black African woman.
Peace. Till the next episode.
Sharp.
Away.